Now, at least 80 more Kenyans have been evacuated from South Africa in the largest ever repatriation exercise to be conducted since the new wave of xenophobic violence hit the country. The group, that also comprised of minors and vulnerable people, arrived Wednesday night and now brings the total number of those evacuated to 320. 50 more returnees are expected to arrive home tonight, as Gloria Milimu now details.
10 p.m. Wednesday, and another plane carrying at least 80 Kenyans from South Africa touched down at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Among them was Margaret Nyambura, a returnee who called the country home for the past 13 years. Just like dozens of other Kenyans and foreigners whose hopes and aspirations to thrive in a foreign land were shattered, for her, returning home is a reprieve amidst the tensions and anti-immigrant protests that persist in South Africa.
South Africa kulikuwa nyumbani, nimekaa 13 years na nimetoka bila kitu. Hata kwa sasa sina na pesa ya kunipeleka kule mimi naishi hapa Kenya, hapa na Kiambu.
Nimerudi huko na guo. Unajua kurudi na guo. Imeni affect.
The exercise now brings the total number of Kenyans who have successfully been brought back home from South Africa to 320, even as 50 more Kenyans whose livelihoods and homes were targeted in the fresh wave of attacks against immigrants are expected to land in the country tonight.
Kurudi South Africa? Siwezi rudi sasa. Kufanya nini sasa? Hakuna haja kurudi huko.
The Wednesday night returnees was the largest group ever to be repatriated from the violent-riddled nation. Among those who safely made it back to Kenya were children and other vulnerable returnees said to have different health conditions. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs had initially notified all Kenyans who would have wanted to be repatriated back home to register with the embassy by 7th July, adding that the repatriation exercise would be concluded on 9th July 2026. Thousands of African nationals have left South Africa following the June 30th deadline given by demonstrators for all undocumented migrants to leave. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Now, major